Ever dreamed of an endless supply of Blooket coins? Today, we're diving into the exciting, and sometimes tricky, world of acquiring unlimited coins. Before we dive in, a quick word on ethics. Blooket is all about fun and fair play while we'll explore some methods. Always remember to use these responsibly and avoid disrupting the game for others. Play fair. Have fun. First up, let's talk about browser extensions. Many players have found success using specific extensions designed to interact with game mechanics. The first step is to identify and install a reputable extension. Search your browser's extension store for Blooket coin generator or similar terms. Read reviews carefully to ensure you're choosing a trusted option. Once installed, the extension will typically appear as an icon. Click on it, and you'll usually see an option to activate unlimited coins or a similar feature. Follow the on-screen prompts within the extension to enable it. Sometimes a simple click is all it takes. After activating the extension, head back into your Blooket game. You should start to see your coin balance increasing automatically. This method relies on exploiting certain game functions, so keep an eye on the coin count and ensure it's behaving as expected. Another avenue some players explore involves game modifications, often within the game's code if they have the technical know-how. While this is more advanced, the principle is similar, altering the game to grant more coins. If you're comfortable with delving into developer tools, you might find opportunities there. It's crucial to be aware of security risks. Always ensure your antivirus is up to date and be cautious when downloading any third-party tools. Stick to well-known and reviewed options to minimize the chance of encountering malware. Remember, the core of Blooket is learning and having fun with friends. While these methods can be an interesting exploration, the true joy comes from playing the game as intended. Use these techniques ethically, and most importantly, enjoy your Blooket adventures. Explore these options responsibly, and may your coin count soar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blooket tips and tricks.